Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? What's going on with everybody? Hope y'all doing well. It's very windy out here today. Very windy, as you can see. And I got another video with another drone. I got another drone, y'all. I got the DJI AIR 3. Not the S, just a regular DJI AIR 3 drone. And I just got it the other day, and just how it came in the bag like this. All right. So I got a little video coming up for it. So I just want to show y'all how I got this thing packed, how I have it packed, and some extra accessories that I got with it. So let's start with the controller, because that's probably easy to take up. Let's start with the controller. Right, as you can see here, I got the Thor lanyard. Y'all see that? I got the Thor lanyard. It goes around your neck. And just pop this up so you can see right there how it is, like that, goes right around your neck like that. Lift Thor. I gave you some stickers. I got the stickers with it on there, on the remote. So what I purchased was the Fly More combo pack again. Always, if you're gonna get a drone, get the Fly More combo pack, because you got so much more flying time with it. So it comes with this right here. Comes with this big charger right here, and there's also a power bank where you can charge up your phone and everything like that. Right? So you see 2 batteries in it. You got 2 batteries in it, and then one is in the drone. And I see a lot of people making videos about this AIR 3, DJI AIR 3. So here's the drone. Here. I got the propeller guards that I got off of Amazon. That's extra. This don't come with it, but it does come with the gimbal guard on it right there, so you can see it right here. And by the way, this is over 249 grams, so you have to get it registered. I got it registered. I got about 10 drones. I got them all registered, whether they underweight or not. Just I learned that from another video that said, hey, why don't you just get everything registered? Just have it registered. You don't have to worry about that. So here's a drone here, and it's kind of huge, and it flies very, very great. So you just take that off like that. And there's a battery right here where I'm about to show you. So you open it up, bring it down like that, open it up, bring it down like that, and then with the gimbal cover, all you have to do is just press up here and just pull it out. You just pull it out. Now look at this camera. Look at this camera right here. Look at this camera right here. You got 2 of them. You got 2 cameras. So there's 2 ways you can film. Top and bottom, right? So that's something you have to learn. Now, they call these the fish eyes, which are actually optical avoidance sensors. You got them right here in the front, and you also got them here in the back. You have it here in the back. Now underneath, you got sensors too. You got sensors too. So it knows when it's landing, it knows how far it is from the ground, and it will land according to its height from the ground. So with the battery here, you just pull it out. You just pull it out, put it back in, and make sure it clicks. So this is the drone in itself, which I'm about to show y'all a video out here in all this wind that this is supposed to sustain very high wind speed. So I did fly in all this wind, so y'all can check it out. And then I got some more stuff here. I have some more things here. Now this right here, that's just plastic on there because I haven't opened it yet. These are what you call sunglasses. They're called sunglasses, and these go on here. All you have to do is just twist this off right here, and then you put these on. So when it's like really sunny, you just put these on, and it's like sunglasses for the drone. So it can have all the colors right. If it's too bright, that's what that is for. These are called ND filters. These are ND filters. Now, what I also have here, which I haven't put on yet, is a drone strobe light, which came with it. So, actually, this came with the Mini 4 Pro, but you could put it on here too. So, that's the drone strobe light right there. But this has lights on it. This already has lights on it. You have lights right here. You have lights right here, all around it. So it already has lights on it. So this actually cost me about $1,900. About $1,900. I think I can get about at least an hour of flying with no interruption. Just have to change the batteries and just boom, fly for an hour. But I just wanted to show y'all this here, a new one to my arsenal. I got about 10 other drones, but you know, I keep upgrading and learning. So that's what this is right here. This is the DJI AIR 3, not the S, just the AIR 3. It's a great drone, phenomenal drone, phenomenal. So check out the video real quick in all this wind and see how it held up, and see how that camera stayed very steady. Didn't really move at all. Let's go with it. Okay, so with all the wind and everything, we're going to start off with the camera quality. Look at the camera quality. It's very nice. Very clear. Very clear. And you can see how windy it is. See my neighbor's laundry and stuff over there? So you can see the wind, which is very high. It is very high. And this drone is just doing a phenomenal job. You can see the wires moving around. And those are some heavy wires too. And it's just staying straight. It's just staying straight. I mean, that is nice. You don't see no twitching on the camera. You don't see no shaking. None of that. None of that. It's very steady. So that's why I wanted to show you guys. So if you want to get one, hey, it's a very good drone right here too. It's a very good drone. And I'm over there chilling in my pajamas. That's what I usually do when I be flying a drone when I'm home. When I get a new one, yo, look, just chilling in my pajamas. That's it. Just chilling. And you can see the wind, you can see the trees and everything. You can see the branches, how they're moving around. It's very windy. Well, you can see my robe too, how my robe is moving around too. How my robe moving around too.